can say entertainment, aka talk your mind, aka this year they must get sense. I don't come and come talk one matter when they bother me. You understand? Because this life not balance. Waiting they play Nigeria, waiting they play. Now Nigeria me can't talk to. Nigeria waiting they play, especially all those our government, all those our presidents. How person go put who senior country for country? How person for this computer age they go dey vote for person wey don old for government or president? How you say make e carry Nigeria take waka? How you feel say e go carry Nigeria go to the promised land wey be say country wey be say God give us honey country? 9 old people scatter for our hand wetin dey play. I just dey paro in my spirit what the Congolese matter. I dey paro the way I take dey talk now. Many people go say wetin concern you, my brother, e concern me. Nigeria good, e good for me and you. You understand? E concern me. E concern me. Now they come out say they want Biafra. They say why now they go come out for say we need Biafra? Why go come out? Now that one they go fight for. Why now they go come out say you need Biafra? My brother, we need to support them. That country we don't fight make it better because when me say that Biafra na win and now I mean they talk as I say entertainment. Why I talk am say now Biafra na win and now be say that country need to be divided. Right now, 2 countries against 1 country now we dey now. Biafra na e dey there. Yoruba nation dey there. They won't go. Country good now they won't go. No. I dey talk to you. Country good now they won't go. The country not good. Nigeria be like Hollywood. Now movie they just dey shoot now. Yes. I dey talk. No, they look another place. They look me. Nigeria be like Hollywood. E be like Hollywood. How person go dey country? Nothing dey move. How person go dey country now 5 naira not dey market, 100 naira not dey market, even 1,000 naira nothing you go fit use and buy nothing. You go mama put 1,000 naira not reach you chop a plate. My people na country we dey. Euro dey high, naira dey fall, dollar dey high, naira dey fall. Even now wetin dey pay me pass, oh my God, which country we dey? Nigeria wetin dey play? Silver don high pass naira. Silver don get value pass naira. Na front we dey go make dem divide the country. They need to divide that country. Yes. Now more quick divide am before another one go come out. Go be 3 countries against 1 country. I dey call them country because why? Na country wey be say they need to divide them to make everybody dey im own. Yes. Nigeria is too big. It's too big. But I know say normally America big pass Nigeria, but they control am. But Nigeria will not get people when get sense. Now make me guys see come and say they must get sense this year. Yes, I take it upon myself say that this year they must get sense. I know now my talk they no go account to right now. Nobody go agree hear my matter. But we go talk. We go talk. I wanted this opportunity to thank all the old bloggers, all the old social media influence, all those men when be say then they talk. Yes, Pastor James, I dey believe you. I dey watch you. I dey like as you take dey talk. Yes, I dey believe you. We go talk. We go talk. E good for us. E bad for us. We must dey talk. Which country be that one? Okay, not bad for country now. No go on government. See, as me we dey talk now since morning for Imo State, they just dey shoot gun. They don't know who they shoot down. And Bubu say no on government for Nigeria. Imo State not be Nigeria. Even for House of Assembly, I tell them say, my God no go shame us. Because anybody when they fight for freedom, anybody when they say, they fight for his own, they fight for selfish reason, they fight for public people, they fight for people, God go fight for the person. Yes. And they talking now, shame now, even for House of Assembly now. The man they talk say, not being come himself. Say na God send and come. You see, my brothers and sisters, God will fight your battle. Yes. Since when they hold now, keep her for one place. We don't know what they go on for there now. Since that time now, everybody, everywhere, they on fire. Yes. Now so Nigeria lawyer come out now when they handle the case. He say don't come out here and know, say what they do one now, not be small thing. Say fire the water. My God, not be juju. Now God and work. No. How you go hold God pikin you think say you go dey free? How you go dey rule country you no dey carry dem go front, you no dey carry dem go back? You want bring changes when you bring out tired men. They say na we be the leaders of tomorrow. Na old people be leaders of tomorrow, not be even the youth again. No, na old people. Na Scarcity Entertainment dey talk your mind o. I must talk my mind. I say I go dey bring news come phone now from different country, but since when I get this platform, e be like say na Nigerian news many pass. Na there things dey happen. Other country na good things dey happen. Nigeria na bad things dey happen. Wetin dey play? See Sunday Ogboru now, dem fit go e house with. I say if una see people wey go e house, I no know say Nigeria get all those 80 men. I no know. But since na Boko Haram dey disturb, nobody don go. Make dem carry all those people go meet Boko Haram. Make dem keep Boko Haram people. Yes, I dey talk. You think I don't know wetin I dey talk? Make dem carry all those people wey go Sunday Ogboru house when they fight for freedom. Make dem carry those men go for Sambisa forest. Make dem carry dem go find all those gunmen dem. Make dem find dem go find all those bandits dem. All those people wey dey kidnap all those students for school. Make dem carry dem go take find them. But no, they just keep them. Anybody wey talk, dem find am. Anybody as I dey talk, I know say dem go find me. If you just talk, dem find you. Which country be that one? Wetin dey play? Nobody get freedom of speech anymore for the country. Enough is enough. That country must be divided so that make everybody know where it is. Hausa na them not to go school. Hausa na them they do like Aboki for Nigeria. Still all the important place both home and abroad, all diaspora na them they control am. Why be like that? Why be like that, my people? I'm gonna ask myself question. Because anybody when say those two people are not doing the right thing, Nnamdi and Sunday Ogboru, they are making a mistake. Because why? They are fighting for our children for tomorrow. They are fighting for the futures of tomorrow. They are not fighting for themselves. You understand? So anybody when say waiting Nnamdi or Sunday Ogboru they do, say not good. My brother, you need to think again. Because Scarcity Entertainment say they must get sense. This sense they must get them. Those who not get them go force them and they get sense. Yes, enough is enough. Waiting they play. So then now to tell you say we get intelligent first men them, then leave all the way from Nigeria go Kenya, go arrest person. But people when they Nigeria with them, they never feel arrest them. All those people when they terrorize Nigeria, when they make Nigeria uncomfortable for people go come from different places, kidnappers go full everywhere. They never feel talk to them. They never feel arrest them. They send a Nigeria people when they fight for their freedom. So they wetin pay me pass. People when they fight for their freedom, when they protest to end police brutality, to end sacks, na im una key for Lekki toll gate. With people wey hold flag, Nigeria flag, you know wetin e be to kill who hold Nigeria flag. That day now know say they don kill the country. Yes, without dem not divide, no peace for the country. I'm telling you the truth. Because the country they don kill am. People wey be say before, if we hear national anthem, we dey one place, we no go move. If dem dey anywhere wey you hear national anthem, you dey one place. But now, anywhere wey you hear national anthem, you go see they do wetin they do. For Lekki toll gate, na so those people dey recite national anthem, they see they shoot them. Tomorrow, they go say Nigeria get law. There is no law in anywhere. They not get law. Yes, I dey press. Share this video, make them see am. Share them. Because I want me to get sense. Share this video. You understand? You talk, you not talk, you go die. So let's talk. Wetin go happen, make it happen. Now one day man they die. E not good. Which kind of life be this one person they live now? We get people for that country. We get junior ones for the country. If we not fight for them now, who will fight for them? As we get disappointed with our father them. Now so we want make the children of nowadays come disappointed with us. Children imagine a born pikin. He say where from come. I know they pass in Nigeria. Nigeria is like 8 beats. Anywhere you go. It don't make sense. I bet more share this video. Now Scarcity Entertainment picking what God said now they talk so. AKA this year they must get sense. I don't get too much to talk. That video when be say that they fight, I go show on that video. When we say on gunmen they shoot, I go show on that video. In case you are seeing me for the first time, I go by the name Scarcity Entertainment, aka Talk Your Mind, aka this year they must get sense. I beg not forget, go to YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that make more you dey subscribe, more you dey encourage me to talk more. Shey you dey get me? But you subscribe, you no subscribe, I go still dey talk, because until Nigeria get sense, na I go stop to talk. If dem no get sense, I go still dey talk dey go. The one wey dey talk now, those people wey be say una dey doubt me, those people wey be say una no believe in me, okay, na ma give una the video watch, so that make una know say Sky C Entertainment, I dey bring the correct ogbonge news. I no dey bring fake news for here. Search am for everywhere, you go see say na correct news. Mofish.
This is gunshot firing everywhere in the Imo State House of Assembly right now over the suspension of 5 honorable members by the Speaker of the House. There are sporadic gunshots right now at the Imo State House of Assembly, and people are scampering for their lives.
With this, you will know I didn't send myself here. God sent me. And what God has done, you cannot undo. Today is the end of your reign.
Colleagues are scampering for their own lives. They have left the complex right now. Sporadic gunshots everywhere. See the House of Assembly full of talks, full of touts. The Imo State House of Assembly, the Night House led by Paul Emeziem.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He has been bundled out by talks.
He
arranged for this particular sitting, bundled out by talks.
Let him come and address us.